Good afternoon, students. So today we shall continue with our class where we are doing the estimate for long wall for a single room by long wall short wall method. So you can see here today I have taken the brick masonry part. So the height will be 3 meters. You can see here 3 meters height. This will be the slab of 0.15 meters and a parapet height of 0.6 meters. So yesterday we did the calculations up to burnt brick masonry in superstructure. Long wall length was calculated, 0.3 is the breadth and 3 meters is the height of the wall. So you got 10.08 and 2 walls were there. So 2 into 5.6 into 0.3 into 3.0, 10.08 we are getting meter cube. Then short wall 2, 5.0, 3.3 and 3 meters is the height. So length you can see here, center to center length plus the breadth divided by 2 plus breadth by 2 because it is the long wall. And for short wall it is 5.3 meters minus 0.3 by 2 minus 0.3 by 2. So it is 5 meters. So here in the burnt brick masonry, that is in the walls, we will have to give a deduction for openings. So we shall see the deduction for openings. So you have one door, you can see in the figure, there is one door and 3 windows we have, and I have given the sizes of doors and windows. So you can see the door is 1.2 meters wide, 0.3 is the masonry thickness wall and 2.1 is the height. So that much you have to deduct. Then in the windows part, you have 3 windows. 1.2 is the width, 0.3 meters is the wall thickness and 1.2 meters is the height. So it is 1.29. Both you have to add these two. It will be meter cube again. And you have a parapet wall calculation. So length you can see, it is 5.6 plus 4.4 and 4.4. So you can see here in the diagram that is the parapet wall height 5.6 and these two are 5.6, you can see here, and whatever is remaining is 4.4 because 0.3 and 0.3 is deducted. So the length will be, total will be 20 meters and 0.3 is the breadth and 0.6 is the height, that is 3.6 we are getting. So from the total you will have to deduct 2.04 for the opening and our grand total will be 20.634 meter cube. Our next calculations, after construction of the wall, we will have to do the internal plastering. So when we go for the internal plastering, our first one will be the ceiling. Ceiling plastering we have to do. So the size of the room is 5 meters by 5 meters. So 5 into 5. One ceiling is there because it is a single room and we are getting 25 meters square. So inside of the walls also we have to plaster because size is same, 5 meters, 4 walls are there, 20 meters. So 20 meters, no breadth, height is 3 meters. In the ceiling only the size you will have to put, you cannot put the height, height will be a dash. So here you cannot put the breadth, height you will have to put because it is the height of the room. So total it is 85 meters square. Here also we will have to deduct the doors and windows. Again you can see one door we have 1.2 meter is the size of the door, 2.1 is the height, 2.1 meters. So we are getting 2.52 meter square, 1.2 into 2.1. Windows we have 3, 1.2 is the size and height is 1.2, so 4.32 meter square. So the total deduction will be 6.84 meter square. From 85, if you deduct 6.84, you are getting 78.16 meter square. This will be our net total. So our next will be, after internal plastering, we will be going for external plastering. Plastering has to be done both the sides for a wall. So here you can see long wall. You have two long walls. You can see in the diagram there are two long walls. Okay, so the length will be 5.6 meters. That is for the external plaster. You can see here, from here to here and from here to here you are going to plaster the wall. Then for short wall, from here to here and from here to here. Okay, so 5.6, no breadth, height will be 3.85. So how to calculate the height? So below plinth 0.1 meter we will take for plastering. 3 meters is the ceiling height. 0.515 is the meters is for slab, and 0.60 is the parapet height externally. So 3.85 meters we are getting. So that is the height. Short wall also same thing. 2 into 5.6 into 3.85, that is 43.12 meter square. So our total will be 86.24 meter square. So you can see for short wall also, from here to here and from here to here you will have to do the plastering. Understood? So you can practice all the calculations up to here, up to external plastering, by taking some example of a room.